Instructions for assembling the front tire of transformer. First, check the consistency of assembling the tire into the rim. Make sure the side where the rotor is installed is the right side of the scooter. The arrow-marked rotation on the tire should also match the direction in which the scooter is going. After confirming the installation direction, you can proceed to the next step of installation. Second, install the rim with the side of the rotor on the tire. Get part of the rim into the tire and use the tool as shown in the video for assistance. Keep the spacing short to make it easier to get the rim into the tire. Third, put the inner tube into the tire.
Check that the inner tube can be inflated before taking action.
Turn the tire over to the other side. Get the stem valve of the inner tube through the hole of the rim first. And then squeeze the inner tube inside between the tire and the rim. Check again if the entire inner tube is put inside completely.
Before moving on to the next step, check again if the inner tube can be inflated normally.
4. Install the tire on the rim on the side of the stem valve. Use the tool as shown in the video for assistance.
Please be cautious to prevent the inner tube from popping during this process. We'd suggest having a professional mechanic for this.
Fifth, inflate the inner tube to 40 psi. When it's done, put on the valve cap. Sixth, install the rotor on the rim with the screws. Seventh, get the tire installed onto the transformer. Find the 4 axle parts in the video. Install axles A and B onto the left side of the scooter. Take the tire to match the correct position. Pay attention to the rotor position. Put axle A through axle B in the tire. Put axle C on the center of the right side of the motor. Put axle A through axle C to the external side. Screw axle D to A and then it's done.